CDW for peer-to-peer rental cars, Turo, Getaround. Have you ever wondered how insurance works when renting a car from your neighbor instead of a big rental company? Let's break down the Collision Damage Waiver, or CDW, in the context of peer-to-peer car rentals like Turo and Getaround. Understanding this can save you from unexpected costs and confusion. First off, Collision Damage Waiver is a type of coverage that protects you from financial responsibility if the rental vehicle gets damaged in a collision. However, when using peer-to-peer platforms, the insurance situation can be a bit different compared to traditional rental services. Most personal auto insurance policies do not cover vehicles rented through peer-to-peer platforms. If you own a car and decide to rent it out on Turo or Getaround, your personal insurance might not cover any incidents during the rental period. Similarly, if you are renting a car, it is essential to check if your own auto insurance extends to peer-to-peer rentals. Many standard policies do not include this coverage. So, what are your options? Peer-to-peer platforms usually offer their own insurance plans that include liability and physical damage coverage. For instance, Turo provides various protection plans through third-party insurers. These plans can cover collision damage up to the actual cash value of the vehicle. The coverage limits and deductibles vary depending on the plan you choose. This is designed to protect you from out-of-pocket expenses related to collision damage while you are renting the vehicle. If you are a host renting out your vehicle, it is crucial to have some form of insurance coverage while your car is listed on these platforms. You can either opt for the protection plan offered by the platform or maintain a commercial insurance policy that covers vehicle rentals. Commercial policies are often recommended as they provide broader coverage and reduce the risk of your personal policy being canceled due to rental activity. However, keep in mind that the insurance coverage provided by peer-to-peer platforms often has limits. For example, physical damage coverage might cap at a maximum amount, such as $75,000. There could also be deductibles that you need to pay out of pocket. If the damage exceeds these limits, you could be responsible for the remaining costs. Additionally, some insurance providers exclude coverage for peer-to-peer rentals, so it is wise to confirm with your insurance company whether your personal policy covers these rentals. Here are some practical tips. If you are renting a vehicle, carefully review the insurance options provided by the platform. If your personal insurance does not cover peer-to-peer rentals, consider purchasing the platform's protection plan. If you are a host, think about obtaining commercial insurance tailored for vehicle rentals to ensure you have adequate protection. Both renters and hosts should document the vehicle's condition before and after the rental. This can help support any claims if needed. In case of an accident, follow standard procedures. Ensure everyone's safety, report the incident to the platform, and notify your insurance provider if applicable. In summary, while collision damage waiver-like coverage is available through peer-to-peer rental platforms, it is not automatically included in personal auto insurance policies. Both renters and hosts must understand the specific insurance protections offered by the platform and consider additional coverage to manage risks associated with peer-to-peer car rentals.